G'day guys, we're here today at the Sydney Boat Show and we're standing next to Mark from Schaefer Yachts on this beautiful V33. Mark has been a client of ours for the gyroscopic stabilisers now for 2.5 years. The boat was fitted when it arrived here by one of our installers and he's been using it in Sydney Harbour for 2.5 years. So tell us a little bit about how you use the gyro usually, man.
Yeah, look, I find it great to have. It's kind of something I use some days and not others. So if you're out on a calm day and not much is happening, it's nice to have everything off and the boat really peaceful. But then on the busy days, you're at anchor, there's lots of wash from all the boats around, bouncing around all the time. The gyro is perfect. Just
Yeah, and I mean, you
switch on
spend
and
most of
you
your...
don't move at all.
Well, obviously you do a lot of boating inside the harbour. Castle Rock and Rose Bay, where maybe near the zoo and whatever else.
Yep.
And there's a lot of that wash going through there, isn't there, with ferries and other boats using.
Any time it's a popular day on the harbour, it's a must-have. I think the gyro. Yeah, just make.
Well, I mean,
totally
presumably
all the experience at anchor.
Yeah, well, you probably go out with your family and friends as well, right? So it's
Yeah,
about
yeah.
having nice lunch on the back of the boat and making it comfortable, yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. To be honest, I use it a lot more than I thought I would. I thought it would be a nice to have, but yeah, on the busy days, it's really a must-have.
And tell me now, you've had it for 2 years, and I know it was serviced about, I think, 6 months ago now by one of our technicians down at the Spit. How are you finding the long-term operation of the machine in terms of ownership, service, and whatever? I mean, it's just been routine service.
Easy, not something I think about, which is what you want, right?
That's exactly right. All right, mate, thanks so much for your time, mate. All the best for the show. See ya.